Merch by Amazon for beginners in Pakistan. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can make your very own Merch by Amazon account in Pakistan. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to merchbyamazon.com. Now once you're over here, this is how their landing page is going to look like. And now once you're over here, you can just directly sign up. So click on sign up button. And once you click on the sign up button, you can easily sign into Merch by Amazon by using your Amazon account. Now if you have an Amazon account, you can just simply log in with that. But if you don't have one, you can just simply create one by clicking on this button over here, and then you can just use that account to sign in. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign in, and I will see you guys the next step. So once you have logged in, this is how the web page is going to look like. And once you're over here, just simply enter in all these information, such as your name, your address, your country, your postal code, your business email. And then you have to tell them about your bank, such as what is your bank. Then over here, choose the location of your bank. And then down below, you will have this form, which I have already completed. This is basically a task interview. So let me just show you how it basically looks like. So if I click on update tax over here, they'll basically give me a W8 pen form, which I have to fill out, and a couple of other tax forms that I have to fill out. And once I have filled them out, my tax information will be completed and it will be done, and my applicable withholding rate will be 0.00%. Now if you want to know what this is, well, basically we'll withhold this percentage of payments from sales in the UK Kindle store. This percentage will not be applied to royalty payments made from the AU, BR, CA, DE, ES. These are basically other stores, and you can read more about withholdings if you click over here. But if you don't want to, you can just simply click on save and continue. The next thing that you want to do is tell them about the bank, as I said before. Now this is the main problem over here, because Amazon doesn't support the Pakistan banks at this moment. So what we can do is we can go over to Payoneer, and over here we can just simply sign up, because Payoneer has an option of creating banks into its own store. So let me just show you real quick. So you can just sign up onto Payoneer, create different banks in different countries, and you can use that bank over here on Merch by Amazon, and then you will have no problem completing the bank statement information. And that is basically it. That was the hurdle that we were facing here in Pakistan. Just simply make a Payoneer account, and you will also get $25 just for free. Just make your Payoneer account, connect that account with Merch by Amazon, and then you will be able to access the dashboard, create section, the manage section, and the analyze section as well. Now I have created a Payoneer account, but I can't access it at this moment for some reason. They have temporarily suspended my account. We'll try to fix that later on, and if you have the same problem, you can tell me about it. If I have a fix for it, I'll let you know. Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll help you out over there as well. So now that I have told you about this problem and how you can fix that, let me just show you how you can create your own store. So if I come over here on merch.amazon.com, in this image over here, this is how we can create. Now as you can see, it's fairly simple. You just choose a t-shirt and you upload a design or an artwork, and then you just select its variations, its size and colors, and then just simply upload it. And you can leave the rest of the headaches to Amazon, because they are going to be in charge of the inventory, of the shipping, of reaching out to new customers, tracking your success, and everything as well. You just have to upload a artwork and choose a design of the product to be printed on, and then just leave it to Amazon and they'll handle the rest. So another question people usually ask is, how can they create artwork if they're not good at it? Well, the simple answer is you don't. So you just have to find some free public domain images or artworks that you can use on your print on demand product. So I'm going to show you a couple of websites that I use to get my free artwork, and then you can use that artwork onto your product that you are trying to sell. So let me just go ahead and show you. So this is the website that I usually use. It's called Pixabay. Now once you're over here, you'll see at the top you have photos, you have illustrations, and you have vectors. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose vectors and illustrations, and let's see what we find. So as you can see over here, these are some of the images that we find. Now these images would look pretty cool on a shirt or a mug or a poster as well. And if we go over to illustrations, these are some of the illustrations that we can see, and we can also use them on our products as well. So just choose whichever one you like from these websites, and you can find other websites as well where you can find free vector images or illustrations and use them onto your print on demand products. And once you have done that, just simply come back to Merch by Amazon and upload it and choose your products, and then that is basically it. That is how you sell your products on Merch by Amazon, and you don't have to worry about a single thing. You just have to upload your artworks, choose the product that you want to sell, and leave everything to Amazon, as I said before. So that is it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will be sure to answer them as soon as I can. And doing this process is very easy. I know that people in Pakistan had a difficult time with creating their Merch by Amazon account because Amazon doesn't allow the banking system. So Pioneer is a great example. We can create an account and choose and use it as our bank on Merch by Amazon, and it will work. So that is it for this video. As I said before, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections down below. And having said that, if you guys did enjoy this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification, guys. And I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.